Hello. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to a new live video. Today we're trading NQ. I got into the live video because I'm just basically documenting every single trade that I'm making, and regardless if it's a winner or a loser. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Actually moving my stop just a little bit to minimize losses. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We have made around, it's absurd, we have made around, okay, let's just wait till this is either a loss already or a break even, or at least it gets out of the area. I think this might be a loser. It's taking way too long for break even. We're on the 1 minute time frame, so we'll see how much this takes. Okay, it looks like we're gonna take a loss. Quick loss. Does it respond over here? No idea. I'll look for a re-entry if this touches over here and then comes above. This looks like a good trade, but I don't know if it's ready. I tried to enter right over here off of this high. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen, but regardless, it's a good trade for me. For some people it's not, but for me it's a good trade. So stop's supposed to be here. So it's a little bit difficult to see because of this wick. Sorry, because of this drawing, but it's actually here. We're losing, we'll lose probably around the 50, 55 or something. We actually missed this trade, but that's okay. It's part of the trading. I hope it responds here because this entry also could act like an entry over here. So it's basically the same thing, And price does seem to be decent. I mean, it's not horrible. We really need a push right now. We're really close to taking the loss. Price was not ready, it looks like. We're gonna take a loss, guys. Okay, we lost $54 on this trade. And I'll look for a re-entry over here at this level. Looking for this. I'll enter right over here. Looking to manage really freaking quickly. Now actually make my stop loss smaller, like around here. Make my position bigger. Confirm. Okay, it looks like we're probably not gonna take another one. Wow, we actually lost this much. That's okay. A little bit more than expected for sure. Because of slippage, of course. But this was a good trade, to be honest. I mean, this was a great trade. Maybe we needed to break even quicker, I don't know. But cancel order, this is not valid for me anymore. Yeah, I mean, we still have an opportunity to enter over here, but nothing guaranteed. -1. We can still enter one more time, but we still need to analyze, of course, see if it sets up. Is looking for one little trade. Maybe this is a higher time frame trade, to be honest. 3-minute time frame. I said higher time frame and I go to a lower time frame. 15-minute time frame looks great. In the 3-minute. Should come down if it's really a trade. And the 2-hour can be the higher time frame. 2-hour time frame, how does it look? Looks good. Coming from this area. Then a 15-minute time frame right over here. Maybe an entry here, I don't think so. Still need to build something. And I don't think it's gonna respond how we want, at least this trade. Okay, price has come down into the 50 EMA, which is good. It means we can start pursuing this on the 3-minute chart. The 15-minute probably looks good. Yeah, it looks good. So we have to check out the 3-minute time frame. Okay. 3 hours looks good. 15-minute looks good. Three-minute time frame looks good. if this is not validating, I'm gonna completely go off stream. I'll be tired. Okay, starting to show some strength. Slowly but surely. What do we want? We want a break of this. That's where we enter. This could be an entry, but not gonna do that because the 5 minute time frame looks absolutely horrible. We're looking at the 15 minute time frame right over here, trying to trade the 3 minute time frame as entry. Gonna put some music. I don't care about copyright, bro. On the murder of my head when I'm not around. Touch all the time. Okay, this is looking good now on the 1 minute time frame. Maybe a retracement, a nice retracement can be good. And I mean, this is not enough, bro. We need a big retracement. Well, not big, but you know what I mean. Big enough. I'm happy with this. Actually, let's make it 4. Oh no, we're gonna get filled. Okay. Okay, we just got filled. Not the best entry in my opinion. The perfect entry was right over here. But I mean, we're getting a nice rejection. But hopefully we can keep up. I'm gonna move my stop loss right over here because there's no point in holding. Okay, now we can break even. Break even will be here. Okay, perfect. We just got in this trade. This is the trade. Profit can be from here to maybe even here, but don't expect anything. Again, this can easily just come down. I love these songs back in the day. Tokyo, it was all inside you. Okay, we have to be ready to take 2 micros off. Nice rejection, bro. We just need, a little bit of a move. It'll be amazing if it does that. Just a little bit more. It's just dancing around. Okay, sell. Get ready. Interesting. Be disappointing. Yeah, I mean, this just looks like it may want to reverse. It is what it is, bro. That's the game. Okay. Let's see if he wants to get there or not. 3RR. That's what we're doing. If it gets close to it, maybe I close, but we'll see. Taking me out of the ordinary. I didn't say anything about to remember. Or the music guys. Never said it now. It's when you up in the clouds. The jealous never define something so out of the ordinary. No, 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 no. Don't you worry. Na, 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 na. No, 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 no. If I take the first partial, we'll do an analysis, like a, like a breakdown of this trade. I just have to be very focused right now on closing the trade. Okay, I'll close 2. Wait for the next one. Sell 2. Okay, close. Perfect. We just took this trade for 2.88 and we're protecting now. Perfect. It's about 1.5. Okay, so this trade, I mean, has been a good trade, pretty nice move. We're not gonna take partials or anything else unless price really wants us to, if it comes above. I said I was gonna do a breakdown of this trade if we get a partial, but I'll wait for a bit. Preferably I would like to be way above, or just a bit out of this zone, so I don't have to be paying too much attention to this. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. This was probably a lower time frame trade, but I'm not paying Trading Me right now. I don't really need it. I found out I don't really need it. I was paying the most expensive version, and with the indicator that I have here, with the bullish indicator that it's on the private mentorship. If you join the private mentorship, you will get every single product that I provide, but you can also buy the indicator by itself. So yeah, once I coded this whole indicator, it already tells me everything I need to know. And the best thing, as I said previously, it counts as one indicator, so you don't have to pay for subscriptions and stuff. So you don't need the TradingView Premium, TradingView nothing. Okay, unless you're focusing on too much symbols. You trade 200 symbols at once, but that's not really needed. Me personally, when I'm trading things that have tons of options like stocks, my screener basically filters everything, and you can also get my whole filters on the mentorship. Every single setting that I use in order to trade, it's on my mentorship. But still, you don't need this to be profitable. Don't think you do. It doesn't need to be like that. With the videos that I publish, should be enough for you. The mentorship is just much faster. It just speeds up your process. That's what it does. Hoping to get higher here. I would love to go higher, and even a good amount, so I can move my stop loss over here or over here. Today is Friday, so remember to not hold anything for too long, or to not enter too late. Next partial, as I said before, it's around here probably. And we'll take one contract off. Let's actually change this because we only have two contracts left. Yeah, it never allows me to switch it up. Okay, let's change this. Sell stop. Right over here, sell. We got it. Now let's do the other one. It's always scary, you think the price is gonna just completely drop when you cancel the order and set it again. So yeah, it's a bit, that's why you have to have some advantage. You cannot just do it right over here. It's not ideal. Okay, so price is mingling around this area. Honestly, I would like price to come a bit higher for me to decide to, to decide to move my stop loss higher. But I'm actually thinking to do it like around here. I'll move it back if I don't think it's the right thing to do. If it gets closer, usually I move it back because I'm a bitch. No, but honestly, because as it gets closer, I get a better idea. But to be honest, these big ass candles don't give me a lot of trust. Honestly, I think I should move it back. I'm always anticipating the move higher. That's why I move it up, but okay, I'll be back. Kate's responding, but yeah, bro. This needs to go absolutely insane after this. Okay. 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 Does it wanna go? It's time to go, buddy. Come up. Come up. Come up. Pa 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 pa. It's working. Maybe a second entry could form that I'm not gonna take, but it could form. If price comes higher, like around this, I'll take the break even higher. Like if it comes all the way here, I'll move it here. Like around here. But it has to come higher. Around here, more or less. Okay, just got there. Just want the candle to close there. That'll be nice. I'm anticipating the move, but honestly, there's no point in holding that. What is it, like $10? Yeah, that's, that's fine. I will have liked the candle close. That's what I'm waiting for. If not, I have to move this back. Uh, come on, we needed to move higher. Higher, higher, higher. Let's manifest. Higher, higher. Okay, the candle is coming nicely, so we just keep this here. We're happy with the results now. I mean, we were happy before, you know, but we're extra happy now. Move it here, just to get something from it. Even like $10 is something. I just don't like the candle closes. I need the candle close in at a good point. These candle closes are kind of bad. But to be honest, what else can you do? Like if price comes here, it's almost impossible to get a reversal to the upside once again. We need a candle close, right? Like right over here will be great. This is another entry, by the way, that we're not gonna take. I might just post this on the group. Let's just see how this trade will have played out. I don't really care, you know, because we're not in this trade. I don't know how the 5-minute time frame looks, so I also don't know if I will have taken this. Looks okay. I don't know if it's gonna play out. If this plays out, then our trade may also play out, which is nice. I'm waiting for price to get up around here so I can move my SL around here. Let's just delete this. Even here I would like to move it, but again, I like this candle rejection. Fucking nice. This trade will have played out. Already on break even, probably. I will move my stop loss over here. If it keeps going up, of course. Honestly, this looks kind of steep. I don't know if it's gonna play out anymore. Don't play with me. We needed to go higher. Come higher. I don't know if this will have been a break even, to be honest. Depending on where you entered, you could have managed it to break even. Like, yeah, this is maybe too early to call break even. Will have been a loss probably. Not yet, but could be. We're not on this trade, by the way. This is another entry, bro. Maybe we need some sideways and then a move to the upside. Okay, it's moving. Here is there's no way you didn't take a break even zone, you know. You can still, you could have still played it out as a break even here, but a bit more complicated, especially because of spread. If you take the perfect entry, I think this is completely valid. You could have considered this a break even, depending on your managing. But honestly, I personally probably wouldn't. Not sure. The good thing is I don't have to think about it because I am not on the trade. I don't need that stress right now. Closing the week positive, more than positive, is the best thing the best thing that you can do. And I'm not doing more than that. Come higher, like over here, and I'll move this here, bro. Trust me. I won't be greedy anymore. I'm gonna move it right now. I love to take the day off. Finish this quickly. Okay, looks like we're gonna break even. We need it above here. It'll be fucking amazing. So we can move it here. Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, perfect. Let's anticipate this move higher. And honestly, if it doesn't come higher, I don't care anymore. Okay, perfect. If you took this trade, you wouldn't have been at a loss. You could actually be break even right now, officially. Almost, yeah, officially break even. Come on, get this pollen. This is where I want to break even now. I'll be back. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, man, this is insane. Hopefully we can take it higher. You'll be taking profits once again. That's amazing. This is what learning the concepts makes you. I'll be happy to break even here, it doesn't really matter. Would be nice if we get a move higher. Just delete this already. We'll probably be out of this trade. Yeah, spread, slippage. But this is cool because it looks like it's fucking dumping. It's okay. If this runs, I mean, it will suck, but I'm taking my profits. Okay, guys. So we're completely out of the trade. I think it was more like 1.3. Let's just say 1.2, just to not exaggerate so much. And I think it was a +2. Amazing trade, great decision we took. If this comes up, I don't care. Like, okay, perfect. Okay, it will have been break even, so it's fucking perfect, fucking amazing. Just a quick breakdown of everything. We started on, as always, the daily, we saw that the daily was freaking amazing, super bullish. We go into a lower time frame, which is the 3-hour time frame, right over here. What do you see? I see the price has been pulling back into EMA 10 constantly, 10 or 20, losing a bit of strength here, but I wanted to follow here, look good. Then I go into the 1 hour time frame, sorry. What do you see? I see the price pulled back into the 10 and 20. I go into a lower time frame. What do you see? I see that price has pulled back into 10 and 20, almost the 50. Still valid though. It was almost invalid, and I took it because it was valid now. Now, what do you see? Price comes below the EMA 50. Now comes above, below. We buy stop the break of it, and it's perfect. Going to profit, we take profits early here, 1.2 plus 1.2. Then price comes back down, almost gets us to break even, and we are actually moving it here. Once we were here, we were about to take pennies, and I said, you know what, this is not the strategy. I have to manage this better. It's all or nothing. Price pulls up over here. We put the stop loss right around here. We take a +2. I believe it was +2. I don't know if it was actually +2. It was maybe 1.5. I'm kind of bad with numbers right now. I'm tired. So if it's not, sorry, but it's probably at least a 1.5, a +1.5. Okay. Thank you for watching.